Earlier this week, Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms announced an executive order. This mandates that all Atlantans wear masks in public. Is this happening? If you ask the management at this Gusto, they tell you sometimes.
So all of our employees wear masks. I do wish all the customers would as well, but they do not. I would say about 30% of them do wear masks, but that's mostly people who work at the hospital.
You just heard from Jake Smith, Assistant General Manager at Gusto. Gusto is a local restaurant located across the street from Piedmont Hospital. While being so close to the medical community helped this small business survive, their sales definitely suffered from symptoms of the pandemic.
Yeah, we basically just kind of cut our staff over 50%.
Getting customers to wear masks isn't Gusto's only challenge. Gusto and neighboring businesses also were damaged in riots following the peaceful Black Lives Matter protests.
The CVS next door to us, they got hit pretty hard. Yeah, they had their ATM machine broken and all sorts of stuff. So them dealing with that on top of having to sanitize all their stuff from the coronavirus, they probably got the worst of it.
Matters seem to keep getting more complicated.
And because of that new rule by the mayor saying that everyone has to have a mask, we're still debating whether or not to refuse service to people without masks. Yeah, that's to be determined. But as of now, we have our whole dining room shut down and we're only doing to-go orders unless you eat in our patio outside. If an officer came out to our patio and saw a customer not wearing a mask, that would be on us. That would be our responsibility, not on the customer.
What's not complicated? Where management stands when it comes to prioritizing the health of others.
I'm going to choose my employees' health over our sales. I've never missed a day because the coronavirus was around.
While the future has yet to be unmasked, one thing is certain. The mayor and essential workers like Jake are fighting COVID-19 with gusto.